Are you new to cooking and wondering how to choose the right frying pan? Today, we'll simplify your search. The right pan is your first stepping stone in the kitchen. We'll explore what makes a beginner-friendly frying pan. Focus on 4 key qualities. 1. High kinetic release, which means great non-stick surfaces. 2. Thermal forgiveness ensures even heat distribution. 3. Ergonomic handles for safe and easy movement. 4. Low maintenance to make cleaning a breeze. Let's look at the best materials. Hard anodized non-stick pans offer the easiest cooking experience. Sol-Gel ceramic pans are non-toxic and lightweight. You even have options like tri-ply stainless steel and seasoned cast iron for those wanting to build skills. When buying, aim for a 10-inch or 12-inch pan. The 10-inch is perfect for 1-2 servings, while the 12-inch is great for meal prep. Here's our top recommendation, the Tefal Ultimate Hard Anodized Nonstick Fry Pan. It's forgiving, has a heat indicator, and is easy to clean. Remember, cook on medium heat and use silicone utensils to protect your pan. So, what are you waiting for? Elevate your cooking game by investing in the right frying pan today.